Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by focusing on the control account and the related subledgers immediately. Pull the general ledger, subsidiary detail, bank statements, and invoices for the period. Make sure dates match. Once done, document opening balances and outstanding items, then set a materiality threshold to prioritize differences. You want a clear reconciliation period and a checklist of expected reconciling items. This lets you act efficiently, avoid extraneous checks, and prepare the working paper, where you will record each variance and inquiry. You now reconcile line by line. Match the subledger totals to the control account, tick items that agree, and flag exceptions. For each exception, trace back to source documents to determine whether it's timing, a posting error, duplication, or an omission. Make correcting entries only when you have supporting evidence. Once you've identified adjustments, draft adjusting journal entries with clear descriptions, attach backup, and route for approval. Make sure to date stamp and reference each adjustment so you can retrace the logic during review. You finish by posting approved adjustments and rerunning the reconciliation to confirm balances tie. Update the financial statements and finalize the working paper with explanations for each reconciling item, referencing supporting documents, and obtaining sign-off. If an imbalance persists, don't guess. Segment transactions by date ranges and reperform sample traces to pinpoint the source. Consider reversing recent ambiguous entries temporarily to test hypotheses. One troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.